healthy, confident individuals at Ysgol Sior.
I'm head of Ysgol Sior, been head for 30 years, and Ysgol Sior is a church-aided school in Llandudno, North Wales. So we've got 243 children on site. So we started off with a whole school project, which was the chickens, which then led to the bees at the school site. And every week a different class has responsibility for collecting eggs, whether they're the 3-year-old children to the 11-year-old children. And then when the children have collected the eggs, they go back to class, and the teacher then has planned some activities linked with literacy or numeracy tasks within the class. So the enterprise is part and parcel of our school curriculum. It's impossible really to divorce the two.
We've started the business here at Ysgol Sior just to encourage independence, to be able to naturally feed in numeracy and literacy skills, to give the children real life experiences, and our business has allowed the children to have a link with the wider community and to support other people, and it's all been really positive.
Badges and bee bracelets. The bracelets are off for £1.50 and the bee badges are for £2.50. I really like running a business because you don't know where you're going and you don't know the new people you're going to meet.
We started initially with 14 hens. And we then saw there was a business opportunity here because while schools can sell eggs to parents at the school gate, there is no school in Wales that can sell directly to shops. So we then extended the flock to 150, and last year we produced our 100,000th egg. We're on course to produce our 125,000th egg this year, and are the only school in Wales that are registered to sell eggs to shops. The children then, having sold the eggs, develop profits, and those profits have then been invested into bees. So we've currently got 14 beehives on site, and we sell honey as well.
In our business, we really like to support charities. Our business helps us to buy food for the food bank, and we can give money to charities to help people with a poorly mind.
The business supports well-being by we fund lots of support in the local community. So the children work very closely with our local branch of Mind. We all support Young Minds as well, which is more a national support. And the children also research into local projects that they can support. So we currently support the local food bank, and we're looking at some homeless charities as well to support, which is all funded through their enterprise.
What we've been doing is packing these poems in here and putting the worry worms in here. And if you want to buy them, just come in year 1 here.
Our class has the kindness book, and when you see an act of kindness, you write it in the kindness book and draw a picture. This January we've been doing a challenge called the Red January Challenge to keep active, do sport and also do swimming.
So running an enterprise has allowed us to feed in all aspects of the curriculum in such a natural way. So it offers opportunities for numeracy, for literacy, lots of hands-on learning, lots of practical activities for the children.
Running a business is really exciting.
It's just amazing.